Hi guys, this is my best weekend ever because I am with my wife. Yeah, this is my wife. I'm not a lesbian, but I still have a wife.
She's my wifey. Oh yeah. And she caught a fish today. So big. It's like that big.
Well, it's bigger than what you'll see. So
Yeah. It's huge.
We're at the
It's
lake
bigger
house
than
right
2
now.
hands.
We're at the lake house right now, and we just went fishing, swimming, and we went tanning. Our backs are like burned,
Okay,
but
this is ridiculous.
our-
I have like a freaking line from where my tan is.
Can you see the difference? Like, you see how it's so lobster red right here? Alright, turn around. And like so pale right there.
Look, you can see the line.
horrible.
Look, you can see the line right there where the tan stops.
Oh, okay. Alright, do one of me, okay. Alright. So you see how like I am like really pale? Like right here?
Wait for this. Look at that. Look how red that is. That is ridiculous, man. That's not even right. I mean, like, look at us two gorgeous chillins. I'm gonna look like a Mexican when I'm done. But
Yeah, but you're my Mexican.
yeah, I'll forever be hers. Sorry, Ronnie. Gotta find a new one.
Bye.
Bye.